Today's topic is about PPC. It means P stands for production, then P stands for possibility, and C stands for curve. Production, possibility, curve. What is production? Production means the creation of utilities, or we can say production is the process where we use inputs to get outputs that satisfies human wants. Then comes to the point possibility. Possibility means chances or combinations. Chances. Possibility means chances or combinations. Then curve. Curve means graphical presentation. So PPC, production possibility curve, refers to graphical representation of various combination of two goods that an economy can produce with its given resource and technology. Here is the definition of production possibility curve. Production possibility curve refers to the graphical presentation of various combination of two goods that an economy can produce with its given resource and technology. Let's take an example. A farmer has a piece of land. A farmer has a piece of land. With his limited piece of land, he can produce two types of goods like paddy and corn. So he can produce either full amount of paddy or full amount of corn, or half amount of paddy or half amount of corn with his limited piece of land. And these are the various combinations of two goods that he can produce with his limited piece of land, or we can say the resource. Resource means here we can take land, labor, raw materials, machines, etc. So production possibility curve has some certain assumptions. So let's discuss its assumptions. First one is resources are fixed. As we know, our economy has limited amount of resources, or we can say human wants are unlimited but resources are limited. So here the first assumption is that resources are fixed. Then next one is, with the given resources, two types of goods can be produced. As we know, the resources are fixed or given, then only two types of goods can be produced. As you know, there are many more types of goods an economy can produce, but here we take only two types of goods that an economy can produce. Then assumption number 3 is resources are fully utilized. That means we can say the efficient allocation of resources, or resources should not be underutilized. It is fully utilized. Then technology is fixed. Here we assume technology is fixed. Let's understand this production possibility curve with the help of a table and a diagram. Here in this table we take combinations. Here the good paddy and corn. In the first combination A, the farmer can produce 12 units of paddy and 0 units of corn. It means the land is fully utilized to produce only paddy. Then in the B combination, the farmer can be produce 9 units of paddy and 1 units of corn. Again, in the C combination, the farmer reduces the production of paddy to 7 units and increases the production of corn to 2 units. Similarly, as the production of paddy diminishes, the production of corn increases, because the farmer has limited piece of land. So in the limited piece of land, either he can produce paddy or he can produce corn, or he can produce both of these. So first, if he produces only the commodity paddy in the limited piece of land, he can produce 12 units. As he wants to produce corn, then he must sacrifices some units of paddy to grow some units of corn. Similarly, it can be explained with the help of a diagram. Here OX axis represents corn and OY axis represents paddy. So as we know, at 12 units of paddy, the farmer produces 0 units of corn. Then as he diminishes the production of paddy to 9 units, he can produce 1 unit of Again, at 7 units of paddy, he can produce 2 units of corn. As the production of paddy diminishes, the production of corn increases because the resources are limited. So, as we combine these combinations A, B, C, D, E, we get a curve that is called production possibility curve, and the shape of production possibility curve is downward sloping and concave to the origin It is downward sloping and concave to the origin because as the farmer increases more and more amount of corn, he must sacrifice some units of paddy to gain more amounts of corn. That's why the production possibility curve is downward sloping and concave to the origin. This is all about production possibility curve. Thank you.